I have received a package here from Nearity, an innovative solution provider for distance collaboration, with audio as its core competency. This is their newest product called Nearity MemPod Pro 2S, which was released last January this year, 2025. It is a cutting-edge Bluetooth headset with features like GPT-powered transcription and summarization, effortless recording, a hi-fi DSP technology, and the dual ENC microphones with AI noise cancelling as well. We have a very simple black box packaging here, with the Nearity logo at the top left corners of the front box and an indicator of a Bluetooth headphone. But I believe this can also connect via USB-A dongle to your PC. We have the TTS indicator here since this can transcribe your calls. All the transcription and recordings are also saved to its built-in memory, and transcription can also be in different languages, and it's also AI powered to summarize all transcriptions. We can see the model and manufacturer information at the back, as well as the support emails, website, and some regulatory certification logos and stuffs. MemPod Pro 2S also boasts a long 12-hour stop time or 15 hours music listening time. AI also works for noise suppression. And its open ear and earhook design helps protecting your ears and comfort for long call sessions. We don't have any prints at the top and bottom of the box. Let's now open it. It's just a plain printless black inner box. Opening it will show the cute multilingual user manual. And we have a hardbound quick user guide here on both English and Chinese language. I love this one as you can easily put this in your wallet and get a reference on how to use the headphone anytime. And since it is hardbound, it won't easily break. Nice touch, Nearity. The box also comes with a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. It's not braided and it's around 10 to 12 inches long. And it is thick enough so it will probably last long. And we also have the USB-A dongle here, which is an alternative way to connect with the MemPod Pro 2S. The dongle should provide a stable, low-latency connection to devices like PCs and Macs as it ensures seamless audio performance and continuous power for extended use. It doesn't seem to have a traditional wired headphone jack, but the dongle provides a reliable alternative for those who prefer a non-Bluetooth setup. There's nothing else in the box, as you can see, so let's get into the main event now. The headphone itself, the Nearity MemPod Pro 2S. Just like the Shox Open Meet, this headphone is very bendy and flexible. It is very lightweight at 124 by 110 by 45 millimeters in size and only weighs 31 grams. As you can see here, the MemPod Pro 2S is an open-ear type of headphone. That's why you cannot see any ear tips here. It uses the traditional air conduction method, where sound travels through the air to your ears. This design provides a more natural listening experience while keeping you aware of your surroundings. We have a Nearity print here at the side. The headband seems to have a thin metal frame coated with a rubber. It is a very thin headband but feels very sturdy. At the left side, we have all the controls and port. We have the power button, then the USB Type-C port where we can charge the headphone. We just need to open this rubber flap here, and then we have the volume up and down buttons. Also here at the left side, we have the boom microphone. At the tip of the mic, we can see the LED indicator light as well as the record and mute-unmute button. The microphone can rotate up to around 270 degrees. Not all the way around, but enough to cover any distance of the mouth from the ear. As a first impression, I am impressed. The Nearity MemPod Pro 2S boasts a sleek and professional design tailored for comfort and functionality. It features a lightweight open-ear structure, ensuring all-day wear without discomfort. The headset is as light as a walnut, making it ideal for extended use. Its build incorporates a dual ENC microphones, which I expect will effectively suppress background noise for crystal-clear audio quality. The open-ear design enhances situational awareness, allowing users to stay connected to their surroundings while enjoying high-quality sound. The headset also includes a dongle, which I expect will provide a stable USB connectivity, ensuring low-latency audio and continuous power. This makes it versatile for both wireless and wired-like setups. Additionally, I am very excited to try the GPT-powered transcription and summarization capabilities of the MemPod Pro 2S, as this is truly a cutting-edge tool for professionals like me. Overall, the build emphasizes comfort, advanced technology, and practicality for me. I think that's all I can share for now, as I will need more time to use, experience, and fully review the capabilities of the Nearity MemPod Pro 2S. Watch out for my full review in about 2 to 3 weeks from this one. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No bear.